Hello everyone, and welcome back to Simply Fun. Today, we've got a fun and adorable tutorial for you. We'll be diving into Blender to create cute and chubby 3D assets. Whether you're working on characters, animals, or objects, these techniques will add that irresistible charm to your 3D models. So, let's get started. Starting from simple shapes and keeping things simple is particularly important when creating chubby stylized 3D models. Chubby models and props rely heavily on volume and mass to convey their charm. Simple shapes help you understand how volume is distributed throughout the silhouette, ensuring that it looks chubby and not disproportionate. Simplicity helps maintain consistency in your design. When you start with straightforward shapes, it's easier to ensure that all parts of the model, from big to small part, maintain a cohesive and chubby style. Simplicity enables an iterative design process. You can start with a basic shape, sculpt it to create a chubby appearance, and then refine it gradually. This iterative approach allows you to experiment with different proportions and details until you achieve the desired level of cuteness. maintain a clear visual hierarchy in your design. Use size, colour and shapes to guide the viewer's attention to the most important elements. Let's give our chubby asset some colour and texture. I absolutely adore conjuring up these soft pastel textures and shaders. They're like the secret sauce that cranks up the charm for our chubby characters. You can create colours, textures, shaders, but again, you need to keep them simple and readable. No dirt texture for me. I'm using Cycles Render. The setting is almost the default. I don't use fancy settings or something complicated in the render setting. To make our chubby asset shine, we need good lighting and rendering, but again, simple. there you have it. Our adorable Chubby asset is ready. Remember, this tutorial is just a starting point. Feel free to customize and add your own creative touches to make your 3D models uniquely cute. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Blender tutorials and 3D modeling tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.